So welcome to Throwback Thursday, and this month we're looking back at the very first NEC show that we ever filmed with this little thing. The Hero 5 session. So this is an international collaboration with a number of other YouTubers who are also looking back at their videos and their photos from years gone by. There will be a card at the end of this video that will give you all their details, and you can watch those videos. So please take the time to have a look at those videos. So what's it about this month?
This month, as you said, we're looking back to the very first NEC show that we filmed in October 2017.
Right.
At the time we got to the show, we only had about 30 subscribers, but by the end of the show, we picked up another 76, which
Right.
took us over 100, which was amazing.
Yeah.
Also, during that, YouTube said we could be monetised because we'd had 10,000 views of our previous videos.
Yeah.
So we were, and we gained £7.96. So we celebrated, didn't we, with cups of coffee? Coffee at the NEC. Yeah. So after that, the next show that we went to was in February 2018. By then, YouTube had changed the rules, hadn't they?
Yeah.
So by then you needed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours viewed. We absolutely smashed the hours viewed. We got 35,000 or something like that by then.
Yeah.
But we couldn't get this 1,000 subscribers, could we?
No.
I think we had 800 by the time we got to February. But we had to wait all the way round, didn't we, till August.
Yeah.
We got the 1,000 subscribers in March, but because YouTube was so busy with changing the rules for everybody and reassessing everyone, it was August 2018 before we earned anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
this is looking back to the very first one we did, and our very first 1K view video. Filmed on this wonderful little thing.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to like it. It's cute.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, so roll the credits from 2017.
Where are we? We're at Hampton in Arden. We're waiting for the train on our way to the NEC.
Yeah, so it's easily parked in the car park, isn't we?
Yeah.
Bought ticket £2.80 return.
Yeah, £2.80. We just missed the 90.
The 8:20.
8:28. We thought we could make it, so we all rushed over here.
8:25.
8:25, just to see it
Disappearing.
pulling out.
Just
Have a look at the loaner stand. Ooh, hello.
Hello.
Thought we'd have a little look round before the crowds arrive. So it's the one we've been interested in because it's got single beds, isn't it?
So it's similar layout.
Yeah, similar layout. These are right at the back, aren't they, these beds? Ooh.
Beds look a little bit short.
Isn't they? Not too high up though, are they? Combi oven and 3-burner hob.
But you really would have to test that bed length out.
Yeah.
It doesn't look very long to me.
Look in here.
Bathroom.
Yeah, it's not a bad bathroom, is it? It's up on a
shower.
Yeah, it's a nice shower. It's up on a little step. Let's have a look at the front there.
Okay.
We're off to 12 and accessories, isn't it?
I thought you said awnings.
Oh, is it awning? Oh, it's awning. Sorry, 17's accessories, isn't it? Well, no. I'm not sure.
You claim to have looked.
That's on it, yeah.
Something fragile and I'm not gonna mess with it.
And it comes with bubble wrap as well.
That's for Chloe.
Yeah, that's
The biscuits are for me.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, I know. I know. It's the dearest capsule we ever stay on.
We've got Super Chloe, who did it in 20 seconds. No pressure, Andrew. Okay, he's in the zone, he's not even breathing. He's focused. Are you focused? I'm going to go 3, 2, 1 and then you go, okay? Look at, he's in the zone, look at him, he's ready. He's focused. 3, 2, 1, go. Start pumping. Go on there, go on there. Straight on there, go, right away. And then push the middle up. Push it up. Right.
That's the bed, but underneath there,
How do you do that then?
goodness knows, it's very complicated, but I can see it's folded away in there. The trouble with that is that it's using up a lot of your storage. See it in there?
Do you want to sit in the seat? So this is the travel seat. They've got one here so you can see how it works.
Yeah.
You sit it, you're almost in a little cockpit, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That opens out of the cupboard.
That opens out of the cupboard. So you've still got a bit of space there, haven't you?
Yeah.
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 But it means you've got sofas as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can see the advantage of it. Right, so the 185 is 45,149. They've both got travel seats, haven't they? So,
Yeah.
and the 285 is 51.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. You have to turn it around the other way. No, not that way.
That way.
Do this one-handed. Oh, all right.
No?
No, I don't know. Go something like that. Perhaps you've got to put it in.
No.
Yeah, I can't get that in either. Right.
Right, so
I think we've just about had enough now.
it's getting very busy
It's
now,
getting very
isn't it?
busy,
It's,
yeah.
about coming up to 12 o'clock, is it, on Sunday?
Is it?
I think it's about that
I've
sort
lost
of time.
track of time. My feet are red hot.
Yeah.
So bring some comfortable shoes next time I come.
Yeah. There's an awful lot to see,
Yeah.
isn't there? And if you walk from one end to the other,
Yeah.
I think we've worked out the other day we walked about 4 miles, didn't we, in a day?
That's about it. If you've got any comments, please leave them. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch up with you next time. And we're off to Edinburgh.
Yeah, off to Edinburgh. So,
By South.
by Southport, yeah.
Right.
So.